Hi guys, welcome back to ABG Spoken English Classes. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 8ನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 3 ಇದು ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಗೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈಗ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಗೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ವೈ ಸಮ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸಮ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ they are made by man using chemicals. So dear student, next question number 2, make right mark or write correct answer. Mark, write the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because it is obtained from wood pulp. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. Answer, man-made artificial fibers and petrochemicals, polymer. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4, ಗಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೈಲಾನ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. The following examples indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. The first example is, they are used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. They are used in making seat belts, fishing nets, tire cord, a string for sports rockets, and musical instruments. Now we are going to see question number 5. Question number 5, explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Plastic containers are favored for storing food because of the following reasons. The reason first, the plastics do not react with the food stored in them. The plastics are lightweight and are strong. They are easy to handle and safe. Question number 6, explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. The answer is here, thermoplastic. These plastics soften on heating and can be bent easily. They do not lose their plasticity. And examples are polythene, PVC, etc. And thermosetting plastic. These plastics, when molded once, can't be softened again. They lose those plastics when molded once can't be softened again. They lose their plasticity. Examples are bakelite and melamine. Question number 7, explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics. Saucepan handles, electrical plugs, switches, and plug boards. Answer, since the thermosetting plastics are a bad conductor of heat and do not get heated up while cooking, they are used for making saucepan handles. Since thermosetting plastics are a good conductor of electricity and the electrical current does not pass through such plastics, they are used for making electrical plugs, switches, plug boards. Now we are going to see question number 8. Categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. The telephone instruments, plastic toys, cooker handles, carry bags, ballpoint pens, plastic bowls, plastic covering on electrical wires, plastic chairs and switches. So dear students, here can be recycled and can't be recycled. The first one is plastic toys, carry bags, plastic bowls, plastic covering on electrical wires, and plastic wires, plastic chairs. cannot be recycled telephone instruments, cooker handles, ballpoint pens, electrical switches. Question number 9. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirt or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana, giving your reason. He should buy cotton shirts. This is because cotton has more capacity to hold moisture than synthetic clothes in summers. We have extensive sweating which is easily soaked by cotton. Cloths are much better than the cloths made from synthetic material. Now question number 10. Give examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. The literal meaning of non-corrosive is resistant to get destroyed by chemical action. Following are the examples that show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Plastic containers do not react with the items stored in it. They do not get rusted when exposed to moisture and air. They do not decompose when left in the open for a long period. These are the main reasons. Next we go to see 11th one. Should the handle and bristles of the toothbrush be made of the same material? Explain your own words. No, the handle and bristles of the toothbrush should not be made for the same material. This is because our gums are soft and the bristles should be made of the soft materials so that it does not harm the gums. On the other hand, the handle should be made of the hard material so that it can give a firm grip. Next we go to see 12th one. Avoid plastics as far as possible. Comment on this advice. The answer is plastics must be avoided as far as possible. The materials made of plastics are non-biodegradable. The use of plastics has bad effect on the environment. When the plastics are burnt, it releases a lot of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. These plastic materials, when eaten up by the animals like cows, choke their respiratory system. This can cause death of these animals. The waste plastic articles thrown here and there carelessly get into dirty water drains and sewers and block them. In a nutshell, plastics can be considered a threat to our environment. Question number 13. Match the terms of column A correctly with the pages given in the column B. First one D, second one C, third one A, and fourth one B. Next question number 14. Manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping the conservation of forests. The comment is here. In the manufacturing of synthetic fibers, we use only chemical substances and no natural materials. Thus, in turn, we conserve forests. Next, 15th one. Describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is poor conductor of electricity. Arrange a circuit as shown in the given figure. Leave a gap between two ends of the wire. Place a thermoplastic in the gap. Observe the bulb. You may take the example from the textbook. ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ.